Tired of that paycheck disappearing faster than you can say rent? We're diving straight into every dollar paycheck planning, so you can ditch the stress and build a financial future. Step 1. Calculate your net income. This is the money you actually take home after taxes and deductions. Know this number. Step 2. List all your fixed expenses. These are bills that stay about the same each month, like rent, car payments, and insurance. Step 3. Track your variable expenses for 1 month. This is everything else like groceries, entertainment, and gas. Apps can help immensely here. Step 4. Allocate your dollars. Based on your income and expenses, decide how much to put toward each category. Step 5. Be flexible. Life happens. Your plan is a guide, not a prison. Adjust as needed each paycheck. Step 6. Review and repeat. Each month, analyze where your money went and refine your plan for next time. Consistency is key. Now you've got a solid plan. Start paycheck planning today and watch your financial life transform.